Hello and welcome to my newest video showing you how I created a copy of the Norris spider head from the John Carpenter movie The Thing 1982. I would like to mention that whilst I was putting this together, I did encounter several complications. Primarily complications with the paint, but luckily perseverance meant that I won the war in the end. Allow me please to apologize in advance for the speed of this video. It is done in the hopes of retaining watch time. You can see in the video that I did have an idea. I tried to put a remote controlled car under the design in the hopes that it would be able to be driven or moved around. But no matter the vehicle I chose, I managed to always encounter problems with the sizes of the vehicles. So I had to give up this idea. It might be something worth working on in the future. Please enjoy the video and let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much again.